warm welcome everybody once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, Greenlight. I want to show you the Rocky-Set from the Hollywood Hitch and Tow Series 10. So why did I buy this? For sure, I really like the Rocky movies and I already got this set here, the Rocky 2 set, and I did an unboxing video about this set, and it is a very cool set. So if you wanna watch the unboxing video, I'll put a link in the description down below. So here are the cars, the 1981 Chevy C10, and here we have the 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Sorry, with this really cool eagle on the hood. Has an opening hood with details. Two really cool cars, or a car and a truck. And it all came without quality issues. So the whole Hollywood series from Greenlight is really cool. I also got this Pontiac Firebird in a single pack, and if you take a look at the wall, this is one of my other Hollywood series, the Santini Air Jeep from Airwolf. And I got this guy here, the 1977 Dodge Monaco from Terminator, the A-Team van, and the Fall Guy truck. So cool cars, but this is not the topic for today. So let's move this other stuff out of the way. And in the meantime, I can tell you, if you are new to this channel or if you are not familiar with the brand Greenlight, I already mentioned the Rocky 2 set had no quality issues. That is a big problem with Greenlight. The thing is, this brand has a huge variety of cars. They have a lot of details, and normally you can get them for a fair price. They have normally a metal body, metal base, and rubber tires. But, and that is the big downside, a lot of these cars have quality issues. And in the last time I had so many Greenlight cars with quality issues that I'm really thinking about quitting buying their stuff, because it's just annoying. I can't afford to buy 3 cars to get one in a decent quality. That's not possible. That's why I mentioned it. And maybe you can hear it in my voice. I'm already a little bit disappointed because I think I already spotted some issues through the back packaging. But we'll get to that in a minute. So let's take a quick look at the packaging first. We have the 1973 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, this one here. We have the 1972 Chevy C10 with a flatbed trailer and these clip-on ramps. And this is the backside with this famous scene from the movie. And here we have the other 2 sets from the Hollywood series number 10. So let's bring the camera down a little bit. I already cut the packaging open because then you don't have to listen to these annoying sounds from the scissors. Let's take the stuff out. Sorry for for the noises. It's important. Don't forget this trailer jack. So I would say let's start with the truck. And unfortunately, it is like expected. It has a paint issue, and that is typical for Greenlight. And it is very annoying. I mean, I paid, I think, 22 euros for the set. I pre-ordered it, I think, 2 or 3 months ago. And as you can see, you can't wipe it away. I think it's like a fingerprint with glue or something. And that is common on Greenlight cars. Sometimes they have this stuff on the windshield. I guess this one also has a scratch. Yeah, it's a little scratch. I could live with that, but that is annoying. And I think look right here, this whole back part of the car, in my opinion, doesn't sit properly. So you don't have a straight line here. It looks a little bit, yeah, bananaed. Anyways, let's move on. A lot of these Greenlight cars have issues with these white wall tires. Because they can't get a circle, a white circle on these tires. These do look very good. Well, not this one, as you can see. Oh man. Yeah. It comes with a trailer hitch. I also got a car where the trailer hitch was missing, so that is also something that can happen. But it seems not to be the worst in the last time. I watched a video from another YouTuber, and on his car the whole front part was missing. So yeah, that can happen. And as I said, I'm thinking about quitting buying this stuff. So yeah. So yeah, that's a Chevy C10. See how it rolls. Yeah, it does roll very good for a Greenlight car. Maybe these are, I don't know, new tires. Because from this side they do look very good. Normally they have very hard rubber on the tires. By the way, if I didn't mention it, for sure this has a metal body, metal base, and rubber tires. Let's see if we can see a production number. Yes. 3,760. So let's park the Chevy C10 and let's go on with the Cadillac. Oh man. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Look at this tire. I mean, yeah. Yeah, I know some guys do a little trick. I mean, you can pull off the tire from the rim and turn it around and put it back on. But I mean that's not why I'm buying this. I'm buying this because these tires fit to the car, and I want these tires, and not I don't want to have to turn them around. And I think the bumper, look right here, is crooked. Yeah, okay. I'm really annoyed already, to be honest. Here is the backside with the number plate. As I mentioned, I mean, these cars do have great details. We have painted tail lights. Yeah. So let's take a look at the base. This guy has no number on it. Maybe it's the same number as the other car, I don't know. And only one car has this production number. Maybe it is like that. This is the front. Let's see how it rolls. Rolls. Okay. So now let's take a quick look at the trailer. So this is really light. It has a metal base. Let's get these rams. This is plastic, by the way. see if this trailer jack fits in here. So this thing is also a piece of plastic, if you want to know that. Yeah, so as you can see, I think this something here went wrong. I don't know, but this trailer jack sits extremely low. So wait a second, I will bring the camera down a little bit. So maybe I can show you. So I don't know if you can see it, but this is the trailer jack is on the ground when you, or nearly on the ground, or it is. I don't know. I don't know. So this, to be honest, I am really fed up with this brand, and I can tell you I bought a second set, so I now spent more than 40 euros for this, because I wanted to have a set that I can keep in the packaging. So this is how it should be. Oh man, this is a joke. This is really a joke. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Here is something completely went wrong, and I am really annoyed. So yeah, I'm really interested in your comments, and if you think I am too picky and you think this is or these are issues that are no problem, I don't know. But yeah, I think I already said it 3 times. I'm disappointed, and yeah, I did pre-order some other Greenlight cars, but I think yeah, I will quit buying these because they can't get their quality management under control, and I won't spend any more money on these cars. So as I said, leave a comment down below, and yeah, give me a thumbs up if you did like the video. Subscribe my channel. I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.